7 cases, all charged with theft of property with previous convictions. And what is the announcement?
Judge, on this situation, he has several cases that he's charged with. We had another defendant that very similar situation, same name, that was on the same docket at one point. And it's questionable if some of these or the other person, to be honest with you, they're both actually from the same area of Port Arthur. And so I'm trying to go through all the surveillance just to make sure who's who.
Okay.
So I would at least like.
And it looks like we've got 3 different kind of indictment
Right.
timeframes on these. So Mr. Pham, I'm going to reset your case one more time to give Mr. Lewis time to go through all of that. He'll be out there to visit with you and we'll get an announcement at the next court date.
Yes.
All right. You can go back with the paper.
She want to give me a next one.
Yeah, we're getting reported.
You don't know why they hold me here. I didn't do nothing.
Well, Mr. Lewis will talk to you about that. Okay.
Okay, go back.
What about April Smith?
That's the one that was reset from last week, Judge, with the
Sentencing on
Safety.
April Smith.
right.
What was that for?
Her husband to talk to her about the safety.
We had asked the court to consider safety based on her priors. You didn't know if you wanted to do that last week. You allowed her husband to go out and talk with her about how much she really needs safety for her children, but of course, we ultimately left it to your decision.
So what about the 2 new cases?
Well, our offer, Judge, just in
April Smith coming?
in hindsight was that we would kind of wait to see what the court's position was with respect to safety.
Those were actually on the grand jury cart at last docket. I have since been assigned them. And so if we need to plead to one or both of them, we can do that and expedite her to safety if we go that direction. Otherwise, the offer was to first take the 2-year stay jail on the probation case and to plead to at least one of those offenses so that there's the priors in her history.
Right. I think when the pleas were done, those were abandoned at that time because they haven't been presented yet.
I don't even know that we had them in the office. They have since been indicted last week, and I now have them and can prove them up by next week if the court would like.
Well, what's your client's position with regard to that offer of safety?
Oh, she definitely wants to do the safety.
Then I want pleas of everything today if I'm going to do that. She's got to take responsibility for those new cases if y'all want to get the paperwork done for whatever agreement you've reached on those. But I don't think dismissals is appropriate.
No,
In the new ones.
and that wasn't the plan
Okay.
necessarily. When we didn't have them,
Yeah.
it was let's not hold her up for safety.
Sure.
But now that we have a cause number to plead to,
Yeah, we need to get them all taken care of today. All right.
We'll take care of that.
Yes, sir. I'll hold it.
Thanks.
And then you've got Jordan Thomas.
Well, Judge Thomas.
Jordan Thomas.
Jordan Thomas.
Good morning.
Jordan.
Good morning. Been waiting all morning.
I know.
And Judge, this is when I was retained on right during that transition when Ms. French took over those cases. So we've had a little time to talk, but not much.
Good morning. Are you Jordan Thomas?
Yes, ma'am.
And this is cause numbers 24 DCCR 0487. Mr. Thomas is charged with sexual assault of a child, and 24 DCCR 2178 charged with aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. And Mr. Lewis, what is the announcement?
Judge, this is one I've been previously retained on.
Recently, yeah, okay, I see that.
retained on. I got on this case. I've talked to Ms. French a little bit about it. She's reviewed it over the weekend actually and gave me an offer this morning
Okay,
in regards to where you are. I do have discovery. So now I just need to go sit down with Mr.
Sure.
Thomas. So
okay. We'll just do a normal reset, give you plenty of time to go over everything with Mr. Thomas, and we'll get an announcement at the next court date.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Mr. Thomas, we'll see you at the next court date. And I'm holding April Smith, okay. And then Ms. Perazo.
You still sign the rejections, no?
Oh, I feel like we've already done. I don't know if she needs to do all those, but I see that she's doing them. Don't get that set. Do you? Say, Mr. Rojas, what was I holding for you? Jimmy Couch?
Jimmy Couch, if we can reset him, Mr. Couch wants to file a bond reduction.
Okay, I'll reset Mr. Couch.
We don't need.
Judge Mark,
Reset.
complainant is here today. She has spoken with myself and Mr. Rojas, both, and we will be objecting to that bond reduction.
Okay, so we'll take care of it then at that time. Obviously, if there's evidence that would help me, bring whatever witnesses you need. What about Willie Pugh?
Willie Pugh, Judge, if we can reset that, I'm going to file a motion to suppress on that, but that may be dispositive.
All
Thank
right,
you.
we'll reset Mr. Pugh as well.
And Judge, that could probably be just one day, maybe on a non-jury week after a regular docket.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
Hey, just.
Thank you, Mr. Rojas. So Mr. Gertz had to go to, oh, hi. Good morning. I was like, where is he?
If I was
You're standing.
any closer to you, we'd probably be in trouble, right?
That would, right. On Giovanni Coleman.
Yeah, Judge, may I have a few minutes on that?
Yeah, I'll hold it.
Sure.
And then they're working on. I know, I've already gone, so I love his stuff.
Ms. Palazzo was ill,
But that was on
Who?
initial three.
and Giovanni.
Oh, well, let's just,
Yeah.
it's okay. Just get the order and I'll sign it and let's go to the court appointment. Mm-hmm. Ma'am.
I can.
Yes, Ms. Delage. We have Mr. Rojas here. Good morning.
Good morning.
And I was in a hurry, thinking I was late. Well, I said he's next to but he doesn't have. See, Mr. Rojas, you've got Jamon Adams.
Devon Adams.
Good morning. Are you Jamon Adams?
Yes, ma'am.
This is 26 DCCR 0744. Looks like Mr. Adams is charged with aggravated assault with a deadly weapon, and Mr. Rojas has filed a motion asking that I reduce the bond currently set at 150,000. Is that correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Mr. Adams, the best you can, raise your right hand, please, sir. Do you swear?
Okay.
Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're going to give in this hearing will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? Thank you. Go ahead, Mr. Rojas.
Hey, Jim, how old are you?
21,
Where are you originally from?
Houston.
Okay, but when this incident happened, you were living here in town with your dad?
Yes, sir.
And your dad's the victim is complaining witness in this case, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How long have you been in jail?
Since April 8th.
And the only the only other person other than your father that can realistically help you with this is your mom, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And your mom, you've talked with her and you've talked to she's unable to make a bond of $150,000.
No, sir.
Okay. Do you own any property that you could sell, a house, a car, a land? Do you have a bank account in your name?
Yes, sir.
Do you know approximately how much money is in that account?
Probably zero, maybe in the negative.
Okay. This is